How to change language in Aniwatch. Now, first things first is you can either use your mobile device or through your PC. If you're using your PC as our set of example, just pull up the browser that you want to use and just go ahead to their website. Just type in aniwatch.to. Now, as of 2024, Aniwatch is actually being rebranded to Hi Anime. You can just go ahead and click this link here, or you can wait for 10 seconds for it to redirect it to that website. Now, this is the new Aniwatch. Just click on home. So this is here. This is actually, you can change only two languages here. So if you change it in Japan, the game, the movie title will also change into a Japanese. So if you change it to English, it will also change the language to English. So that's basically it. That's how you change language in Aniwatch.